Alright, what's going on, Backyard Dippers? I'm John with Discount Salt Pool, and today we're back with another What's in the Box video. It's going to be over a very popular saltwater generator called the Edge series by CircuPool. Let's open it up and take a look. Alright guys, so here we got everything that's included in the box laid out. Now this particular series is a 4th generation salt system, and it comes with 3 different capacities. Alright, so finding one for your size pool shouldn't be a problem. Now installation is very do-it-yourself friendly. The average install time customers are reporting is about 45 minutes or less. Okay, not a long process at all. It comes with 3 main components. You've got your control module. This is going to be the brain of the whole thing. Flow switch. And then you have your cell, all right, where the chlorine production takes place. And like everything, there's always some little things included, like your manual, your O-rings, and mounting hardware for your controller. Now back to the control box, you'll see everything is housed in a very compact unit design with touchpad controls on its surface. All right, it's a very easy to use unit because everything is streamlined. And also the construction, as you can see, is very solid. And one of my favorite things about this is its large aluminum heat sink in the back. All right, keep that unit running cool. The flow switch is just what it sounds like. It detects the water flow, and it utilizes a temperature sensor as well. Okay, so another good feature. The cell is a unique design in that it is clear, making it very easy to check inside without having to take your equipment apart. Okay, it also has a very, very long lifespan titanium plates, which means it's going to save you a lot more money in the long run. Remember guys, this model has a 7-year limited warranty, and this is big folks. There is no warranty penalty if you choose to install it yourself. All right, that isn't always the case with everything out there. So with the unions and other hardware here, that's the complete CircuPool Edge salt system. You can see customer reviews, its complete specs, and a great brand comparison chart on our website. That way you can see exactly how it stacks up with other units to see if it's the right system for you. I'm John with Discount Salt Pool, and I'll see you in the next video.